So the history of Devitt Machinery. So back in 1961, Joe and Meg Devitt started the company. And the reason behind that is before that they had Drew, their son. He decided to start a company because if he didn't start it, he would never have done it. And his whole goal was to be an entrepreneur. He sold large machine tools for Skoda in North America. And he eventually got on additional products like electrical tracks for machines. And then he also started repping fixators. And he would sell them to machine builders. He would find customers for the large machines, and he was doing that for quite some time until around the early 70s when he went to a machine tool show in Europe. He was introduced to Akim, who was a co-owner of Diamant Metal Plastic. And Diamant is the manufacturer of Moglice and DWH, is one of our top sellers at Devitt Machinery. So we came into a partnership with them, being the North America distributor for those products in 1972. Since then, we've been selling Moglice and DWH products, the Diamant product line, to machine tool builders, machine rebuilders, guys that are repair shops, through several different avenues. And when Drew came into the business, the family business with Meg and Joe, he decided that to sell more Moglice, if he could figure out a way to help these rebuilders and builders of their large machine tools repair them into the field, that he could sell more Moglice and DWH. So what he ended up developing was the on-site machining method for how we machine and qualify large machine tool beds on site. And we're really the only company that can really do it with our unique technique that we use original reference surfaces from the machine. And that kind of was a catalyst into other on-site projects. So when I started working for the company back in 2012, I wanted to expand into more alignments, helping, we were able to get our first laser tracker, and that was able to help us do a lot more alignments and custom alignments and part inspections, and opened up the door for us to actually find out, wow, our product could actually be used in different areas. So we could align certain features of for example, for DWH, we were able to align a machine column to a base, and then instead of machining and scraping the features together, we would use DWH and injecting them into suit, which was a really good technique. And we started to expand our capabilities. And then I started doing a lot more road work and started selling a lot more bigger jobs, promoting the Moglice and DWH products, promoting more the on-site rebuilding techniques that we have here at the shop. And that started a catalyst for more jobs that we were doing. And what ended up happening is that in 2017, we were able to get into our current facility where we're able to bring a lot more projects in. So instead of being so road-based or just product sales, we're also offering in-house repair services where we can re-Moglice machines, we can do alignments here, we can repurpose machines, we can re-scrape things, apply a lot of our technologies, our tips, our tricks into the machines for the customers here, which was nice. So going forward, I have a vision of expanding more products and being able to rep more vendors' products to sell that are in the machine tool industry. We're also looking at expanding more road service. So we're able to hire more guys, being able to train them to what our expertise that we know how to do on the site, which helps cut customers' lead times down when you don't have to worry about pulling the machine apart. And the other thing I really want to expand on is doing a lot more in-house repairs that people can send to us and have a lot of repaired items on their shelf ready to go before their machine goes down. And this goal and this vision is going to be something I look forward to take into the future and expand on. And we got a young team that's looking to expand on this vision. And where I really want to expand on is being a rightful leader for the company to help train people to learn the techniques that I have learned throughout the years, give them the tools to be successful in the road, in the shop. If it's to customer service, somebody able to sell somebody some Moglice, they know what it's about. They learned about it. They worked with it. If it's people that are going on the road, leveling and aligning a machine, they've worked with me. They've worked with other of our employees, figuring out how we need to align a bed that could be 80 foot long, level, align it for straightness, and being able to apply some of our techniques with the on-site machining, being able to set up the fixture plates, machining the bedways, and applying the Moglice. And what I want to do is give them the tools and the knowledge and the expertise to be able to grow within this company, because I'm looking to take this company into the future with a legacy brand that we're building here. And that's the first thing I want to instill is a good leadership, a good people want to come here and work here and expand and keep our customers happy, keep our employees happy, and keep the brand alive.